Hi, my name's Bethan Davis. I'm a women and children's health pharmacist here at Cardiff and the Vale University Health Board. I'm here to talk about the launch of KidzMedz Cymru. So KidzMedz Cymru is an initiative teaching children and young adults how to swallow tablets and capsules. So this project is actually a first in Wales. It is used in a lot of other children's hospitals outside of Wales, in England and Scotland. However, it is the first for Wales. So with the project, we're hoping to encourage children to take tablets and capsules in a safe and positive environment so that they have greater success. This will benefit, patients who need acute prescriptions of antibiotics, but also our patients who are on lots of medication, particularly liquid medicines. With liquid medicines particularly, there are a number of problems with them, such as the sugar content, actually the availability as well, and this can put a lot of pressure on families as well. So by trying to switch as many children as possible to tablets and capsules, we hope that we'll see a number of health benefits. We've had great success, particularly with one patient, where we managed to teach him how to take tablets and capsules. He's actually had his medicines previously through a gastrostomy. So by learning to take tablets and capsules, this has been removed, and now he has great health benefits from it, as well as his family can now take him on holiday and his quality of life has improved greatly. We hope to see great success from this project, and we're aiming to have 400 children learning to take tablets and capsules by the end of the year.